The Bhoi District Administration concluded a month-long training program for Army recruitment today. Focused on physical fitness and readiness, the initiative prepared youth for armed forces careers. During the closing ceremony, Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal lauded the participants' enthusiasm and emphasized the program's role in skill development. District Sports Officer Bobby Nongbet encouraged trainees to leverage their new skills to achieve their goals.
Long training program for everyone who is going to appear for Army Recruitment Rally. So there are probably 250 candidates who will be appearing for the physical test of the Army Recruitment Rally, out of which around 80 persons are from Bhoi itself. We organize this training program to help them understand first of all what kind of tests will be conducted and help them train as well. With the help of our DSO, our magistrate, as well as the coach over here, we have tried to ensure that everyone gets the exposure as well as the kind of training that is required so that they can clear and youth from Bhoi can get into government job and especially army in the largest number possible.
The Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, funded by Skills